at these. I look at so tap. Oh, I can't hear anything. Yeah. It's a time. See, I was gonna fix that. Let's see. How do I do that again? Yeah. Hi. Night night. I wasn't expecting to be here again today, but alas, whatever, I'm here. Night night, say so. Sweet dreams. Mm. I did this one, side effect. Did I do this one? I don't think I did. Oh, okay. So, another mistake. Let's see. Alright, give me a second to figure out what I was doing. I was doing something with functions. Oops. We'll call this mistake 2. Forgetting to indent. Oh, wait, did the first one have that? Oh, forgetting to return. Okay, we should be more specific though. Mistake 1. Or that could be a question. It's okay, we put it in here. And then we expect to get some kind of error. Maybe, I don't know if it's gonna be like a syntax error. Maybe. Let's see. Hi, Kitty Pillar. Thank you for welcoming me to the stream. Okay, good luck with your French quiz. Good night. Hi, Huawei. Learn Python. On other languages, you use curly brackets or brackets, but Python indentation. Or is that tab? Or is that? I can't really read that. Use, which is easy to understand. I don't really understand what you're saying, but sounds good. Oops, I want to open my scratch pad. Oh wait, we won't resize this one. We will we'll do it with this one. We'll take this and just copy it and go over here and resize. Is it vertical resize? 72. Yeah. I put it here. And we save this and let's see oops, what error we get if we get an error. Actually, maybe I don't know if it'll give us an unexpected, or is it, or wait, does it literally tell us indentation error? Let's find out. Okay, it gives us indentation error, expected an indented block after function definition on line 1. So let's just copy that. I know it's an error, but I don't know what kind. Huawei, please don't backseat. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll put that in here. We're gonna just paste it into. Oh, what the heck? Oh, wait, I need to use this. Okay. And then delete to the end. And this is impossible to see, so we resize that. Okay. So we get, yeah, a specific indentation error. Now with mistake 3. Oh, I keep pressing tab instead of backticks. Mistake 3. Call with too many arguments. So we get square x, return x times x, and print square 711 will give us, yeah, some sort of error. And let's see what that actually looks like. Actually, I wonder if I could do this in the REPL. Let's see. Meow 0. Hi Solo, how are you? Okay, I can't do it because it just doesn't do anything. Let's try this again. We put this on a new line. Okay. Type error, square takes 1 positional argument, but 2 were given. We could just, oops, copy this. And put it in here. Oops, I didn't mean to put this here. My brain is never on, but it's especially not on tonight. Hi, Wildkick, how are you? Okay, and then we have mistake 4, the wrong name. find square x, return x times x, and then we try to print something with square but with a k instead of a q. I'm a little bit curious about this, if it just says that square is not defined, or if there's like a particular error for this kind of thing. So let's just put this in here. Okay. Put it in here. Okay. Name square is not defined. Do you mean square? I'll put that in here. Also, I kind of want to just double check that this is the actual behavior and not just like something the REPL is doing. So we go to the end. Oops. I want to pull, I think, these two. And then I go, oops, go to the top, to the bottom, and then just do this, resize right, but I'll take out these, and these, and these, and these, and those. Wait, before I run this, let's comment this out. Okay, I'm gonna run it. Square takes one positional argument, but two were given. Okay, that is what we had for that one. And let's then, we can just delete this actually. Name error square is not defined. Did you mean square? Okay, so it's the same. I just wanted to see if it was different in the REPL, because I don't really fully understand. Yeah. Okay, we go back over here. We resize again. And then go in here and move on to the next problem. Also, I forgot that we could literally just run these here. So this one gives none. This one gives hello world, hello world, hello world. This one gives indentation error, expensive indented block. So it's slightly worded differently, but it's the same. I think it's just, is it the same? Yeah. Okay. And then this one gives, yeah, the same. And this one gives name squares not defined. Okay. Hi, how are you, Draco? Yeah, a bit early. How many problems do you have left in the tutorial? A lot of it. Highlight time. Define a function cube n which takes a single number n as input and outputs its cube. So we want to define cube n. Actually, oh man, can I just I wanna do it in the other one. I'm not really sure about this workflow, but whatever, it's fine. Cube n. So when it says outputs, it's cube. You know, that makes me a little bit nervous because, like, outputs. Do you mean print? Oh, wait, I saw this here. There's no need to use input or print for this exercise or future exercise. When you're asked to define a function, the grader will call your function with arguments and inspect the result it returns directly. A correct solution for this particular exercise will be 2 lines. Okay, yeah, that's literally it. Can I go to the beginning and print? Nope. Can I go here and then print? Okay. 2 more arguments. Meow, 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 meow. We expect, let's see. Sorry. If we put in an example, I forgot to put in examples for some of the other ones. Let's see, if we put in like 2. Anybody know 2 to the 3rd? 8. We could just call it, actually. We don't have to put a comment. We could just call it the same way the other ones did. Print cube 2. Okay, and then the functions above only took 1 argument, but a function could be designed to take any number of arguments. For example, you've been calling input with 0 arguments, and you'll define a function with 0 arguments in lesson 15a. Here's an example with 2 about geometry. Suppose we need a function to compute the area of a triangle, given the length of its base and height. The formula for the area is area times base times height divided by 2. In code, it looks like the following. We replace def function name argument 1 with def function name argument 1 argument 2. So we could just copy it, obviously. Oh, but we need a name. Do we have one for this one? We'll call this 2 or more arguments. Okay, good night, sweet dreams. We expect to get the base of 3, the height of 5, 15 divided by 2. A base of 4 and a height of 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. Or we could check. Meow, meow, meow. I wonder why it keeps doing this. Is it because it's markdown? It gets confused. It just like puts all these extra tabs. No. No. 7.5, 4.0. Okay, actually, we should know that it's a float because we did division. Well, the stream is in PST, but I'm in a different time zone. It's really late for me as well. I don't feel like looking at this. In and out. Another important thing to note is that when a function is defined, is different from when the function is executed. The body doesn't run until the function is actually called. To test this, complete the following exercise. Define f, print in f, print not in f, and then call f, and then what do we think we get? Something like not in f, in f, perhaps. Okay. 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines. In the last exercise, we ask you to write your own function of 2 arguments to compute the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter is the total length of all sides. Or rectangle, sorry, not triangle. It's the area of a triangle. So we define a function rectangle perimeter with width and height. And then the formula for perimeter is width plus height plus width plus height, which is the same thing as width then we'll do some tests. Print rectangle perimeter with some fake numbers like 5 and 6. Well, they're not fake numbers, but unimportant numbers. we should expect to get 11 times 2, 22. And we can verify that here. 22. Functions calling. Functions are the building blocks of well-built large programs. You could do the same task twice without writing the same code twice, and you can reuse solutions to common tasks. Here's an example of building one function and using it inside another one. Can you guess what this program does before you run it? Remember from lesson 4 that multiplication of strings and integers means to repeat string that many times. Tar2 is tartar. 11. So we have a program, or a function rather, called, that's just so small. That's not what it's called. Oh, it's right here. Inner, that takes string and width. Return string plus a space times width minus the length of the string. Define outer as string 1 and string 2. Define outer with string 1 and string 2, where W equals the max length of string 1 and the length is string 2, so W is either whichever one is longer. Print star times W plus 4. So you're going to print some stars. Print star plus inner with string 1 and W for the width plus star. And then do it again with string 2. And then repeat this line with stars again. This is not actually, I don't really wanna. Okay. Box number 1 is very fun. That's outer with string 1 and string 2. Box is 3, number is 6, 1 is 3. 6 plus 6 plus 2 is 14. 2, 4, 3, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 14 is greater than 11. So, W is 14. We're going to print 14 plus 4 stars, which is 18 stars on the first line. Then we're going to take string 1, which is box number 1, and W, which is 14, and put it into inner. Which gives us box number 1 plus space times 14 minus the length of the string. So, wait, let me think about this again. Oh, because of order of operations, I think it's only going to multiply by the spaces. So the string, okay, the width is 14, the length of the string is 14, so it's actually not going to add any spaces to box number 1. For inner. But it'll have a star and a space on one side and a space and a star on the other side. For inner string 2, however, is very fun. Is the string width is 14. So is very fun and is how many spaces? 14 minus 11 is 3. So 3 spaces after is very fun. And there's going to be a star on each side. And then 18 stars on the bottom row. This is going to make some like box with some text in it. And the box is going to be made of asterisks. I must say. Okay, so oh, was there more? Oh, I didn't see that there was a second one. I don't really feel like doing it though. But yeah, we were correct for this one. They're surrounded by a space and a star, space and a star. But this one has 3 spaces at the end. I'll write this example down though. Lim 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 lim. Lim 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 lim. Space plus inner string 1w plus another space star, and then do the same thing actually. I didn't do that. Another one, but this one is string 2 instead of string 1. And then we do this one again. Then we could do our own example. We could call outer on meow 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 meow. And we predict what that's gonna look like. Something like this. The first line. I need time. A shadow. Hello, shadow. The length of meow, 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 meow is 4 times 4 plus 3 is 16, 17, 18, 19. That's clearly longer than the other one, so W is going to be 19. So we're going to get 19 plus 4 stars. So that's 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And we'll actually get this twice. It'll be the first line and the last line. And then in between those two lines, we're going to get some thing. So we get a star and a space, inner string 1W. So because W is the length of inner string 1, we're just going to get the string with no extra spaces. So that's just going to be meow, 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 and then end with a space and a star. And then the next line would be quite similar. Oops, but instead of this, delete to star, we get lowercase meow, 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 and then since this is 11, what is it? Is that 11? 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 14. 19 minus 14 is 5. So we need 5 additional spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we print out something like this. And if you don't believe me, we could always check it, right? You just grab all of this code and put it over here, and then just call it. Oh, look. Meow, 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 meow. It works. Very nice. Okay. And that's it for this chapter, I'm pretty sure. You can see a new phenomenon in the visualization under the frames column. Nothing's happening today or ever. When we are at step 8 of 30, there are not only some global variables, but 2 frames, one for outer, one for inner, that was just created. Well, let's look at that again. I didn't really. Let's go back. Let's go back to the beginning. So the first step, we have the function inner in the global frame, and we have the function outer in the global frame. But it doesn't, neither of them get executed until it's called. So outer is called, and we get string 1, string 2 with the, what is it called? With the arguments pass, okay, the arguments box number 1 and is very fun passed to the formal parameters string 1 and string 2 in the outer local frame. Wouldn't that? Then we have W, so we're gonna calculate that. It's 14. And then we're gonna have output, the stars, more output. Wait, let's go back. Okay, not just output. When we print this, we also are calling inner. So now we have a new frame for inner with box number 1 and 14 arguments passed to the string and with parameters. Yada, yada, yada. What was that? The return value is this string. I don't feel like going over this anymore. Hi, Underview. Let's move on to 11C, geometry. I didn't mean to quit that, but it's okay. Meow, meow, meow. Note 11C notes. Oops. I actually need to go back to out of 11C, out of 11, back to the 10 notes. Wait. Oh wait, am I already in there? I need to steal this first. I put it in here, and I'm gonna put it at the end, and then I also want to. Yeah, I should make some sort of hotkey for that. This is gonna be 10, and this is gonna be 10 as well. And 11C is gonna go back to 11. My brain hurts. Let me think about this. We're in 11C. We go back out to 11 and back into A. Actually, I stopped there. Yeah, I stopped there. Let's do something different. Let's do... Where are you hiding? Jean. Did I delete it? New V. Did I delete it? Table of contents. Exercises gently explained. Saw that. In here. Saw that. Oh, in here. I forgot my login though. Shit. I should have written it down. Guys, I forgot my login. Shit. What the heck was it? Was it cat? Like cat or something? Shit. Please enter correct username and password. I don't remember my password. I made a really stupid password. Do I have to make a new one? I don't remember my email either. Crap. Brain work, brain. Cancel. I'm in so much trouble. Okay, let's do this one. I don't think I need a password for this one. I forgot. I thought it was like kitty cat. I made a password like kitty cat or something stupid. sleep. The parameter weekday. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. The parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday. Look at mit icon. What does that mean? Guess what it is. I can't. It's too small. Parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. True. Wait. Parameter weekday. It's a coding bad answer. Oh, that's funny. Ah. We sleep in if it's not a weekday and we're on vacation. Return true if we sleep in. I solved with ternary operators. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I have to lock in. I'm so sad right now. The parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday. The parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. We sleep in if it's not a weekday or we're on vacation. Turn true if we sleep in. Sleep in, false, false, true. Sleep in, true, false, false. Weekday vacation. It's not a weekday. I don't want to log in. If, oops. If weekday false, turn true. Hi, meow. Let me think about this more. Are those the only cases? I'm gonna write them all first and then I'll fix it. If weekday is false, nothing. Turn true. It's a weekend. If vacation is true, nothing, not making anything. Don't mind me. Hi, Crucial Flow. Hi, Japanese name. No, no, no. I don't need you to grade me, Shadow. Rah. Okay, fine. Rah. Okay, fine. I don't look at chat. Let me think. If weekday is false, this is the same thing as equal. It's not the same thing. If the weekday is false, if the weekday is false, it's the weekend. We return true. If the weekday is true, we check if we're on vacation. If we're on vacation, we're on vacation. And then we're sleeping. Otherwise, I'm scared. Yay! Yay! Why is this text so small? Can I make it bigger? Let's do the next one. We have 2 monkeys. Oh, yay! I got 2 monkeys. A and B. And the parameters A smile, B smile indicate if each is smiling. Oh, we got smiling monkeys maybe? We are in trouble if they are both smiling, or if neither of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. The true is false, false is true, and false is false. If a smile or so isn't the or operator only, doesn't the or, not operator, what is it called? Is it an operator? What the hell is or called? Doesn't or only return the boolean true if at least one? Wait, oh wait, let me think about this. Is that different? Is that different? Does it return true or both? Yeah, because if both are true, that's also or. My brain hurts. Okay, let me think. So are we looking for? I don't remember the difference between or. The difference between or and XOR. How do I do XOR? How do I do or? I just learned this like 2 days ago. Let's go back to the else and or not. What the? We gotta go back. We have to go back. Run the program. Blah, 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 blah. A or B. Both are false. Yeah, when both are true. Shit. Okay, here's the thing. So if A, God, I hate this, and not B, return true. And if B, smile, and not A, smile, return true. Else, return false. I don't know. Whatever. I try it. Well, this doesn't work. Why does it work? A smile and not B smile. Is it because of and? Oh yeah, wait. Because and requires both things to be true. I can't use and. What the? Let me think about this one more time. There was a way. This is way down here. A or not B and C. Oh my brain, oh my brain. My poor brain. This one, which one is equivalent? Not A and not B. Wait. This one. Not, God damn it. Not A and not B. Yeah. That one. I cheat. Let's go back. If. God, not. Not A. And. Wait, let me think about this. Oh, it's not A and B, it's A smile. Give me a second. Let's think about this. Is it and or was it something else? Okay. Not a smile means that. Oh god, I'm like, I'm actually crashing out right now. Okay, not given true. Not a smile is false, and not be smile is also false. So, false and false is false. Not false is true. It should pass the first test. A smile is false and B smile is false. Then, not false is true, and not false is also true, and true is true, so not true is false. Brain hurts. Can I think about this? This is not right. This is not right. This is really not right. Okay, that's fine. Let's go slower. Let's go slower. If a smile and B smile, that means both are true. Return true. Else if a fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck, the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck. My brain hurts. I don't know how to write this nicely. If both are false, so if a smile lem 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 lem. Oh my brain, oh my brain, oh my brain. It's too small. What if I make this the last one? What if I just go like else? True. Hear me out. See. Aleph. A smile and not B smile. Let me think about this. So if A smile is true and B smile is false, then we get true and true, which is true. What about the opposite though? If A smile is false and B smile is true, We need not a smile and the smile. Turn true. I don't freaking know. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, we're close. We're getting closer. True, false, false. Run, true. Wait, what? True, false. True, false. Eh? Oh, I forgot what the question was asking. There's monkey trouble. Monkey trouble. But then we're just gonna change these two. Yeah! Okay. I don't do anymore. It's really late at night. It's almost 2 in the morning. Good night. Um, I won't be back tomorrow because I think I'm gonna die. Good luck, real MDGS. Good night. I have to. I have to die. Sweet dreams.